Hi guys, this is Matt Z. Today I'm going to talk about all the traders that break the rules. Now, every trader broke the rules. Every single one out there and every asset class broke the rules at some point or another. I've been doing this long enough to tell you this. For illegal disclaimers, I have to say in my opinion, because I don't know every trader out there, but I know it's human nature to break rules. So I would bet that every single trader out there, that from the minute they start thinking about trading to the minute of implementation, they actually at some point lost discipline and stopped. They're basically didn't listen to the rules. And the rules could vary. Rules could be cash management. Let's say you have a certain amount that you don't want to risk on a day, or a single number of contracts, or a single number of trades, or anything or not to hold a position overnight when you promised you're only going to do day trading. So those rules get broken. And I thought to myself, well, what causes traders to break the rules? Now, there's a whole, like I said, I say in many videos, look, I'm not a psychologist, so I don't know what goes on the back of every trader's mind and what causes them. A lot of the times is desperation. A lot of the time is trying to make the money back. A lot of the times it's the idea that a losing trade is much more painful than actually having a gain that's physically there. So if you lost $500 opposed to making $500, losing $500 hurts more than making $500. So people try to avoid losses, and that leads them to a desperate behavior. But there's also another concept. I think the traders do not follow rules long enough to enjoy the benefits of those rules. Meaning that they haven't done it. If you wrote down a set of rules, you have to say to yourself, and you have to force yourself to do it for prolonged periods of time. First goal, in my opinion, and I know it's really hard, and you always have to do things in progress, but the rules that you write down, you have to promise yourself that you say the first quarter, first 3 months of your trading, from now on, you're gonna stick by those rules. You could potentially see the benefits then of the rules, and then it may lead you to start breaking the rules. But traders take every single day, every win or loss as a single experience, and it's the biggest mistake that a trader can do. It's never about 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or 6 months. It's over many, many years. But the discipline has to be applied every single day. So you can't lose focus because of a great day that leads people to act recklessly the next day because they think they figured it out. Or you can't get all depressed and say you're a bad trader because you had one bad day. Write down 10 rules. Write them down and promise yourself that for 3 months you're going to follow those rules through thick and thin. And maybe then you will see the benefits of your discipline. This is not only applies to trading. It applies to somebody who wants to lose weight. It applies to somebody who wants to achieve a certain milestone in what they do, become better at what they do, whether it's athletics, whether it's reading books, for example. I forced myself to read at least. My goal was to read at least 1 hour a day when I come home, books. Like, I forced myself to do that. But I didn't do it every day. And now I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to do it for 3 months. Every time I come home, rain or shine, tired or not, excuses, no excuses, 1 hour a day I got to read. Because it helps me, obviously, think. And in our business, we need to think. And we need to think also outside the scope of trading, to bring it back to trading. But you understand my point. So again, the conclusion of this video is this. People or traders do not follow plans long enough to see their benefits. That's the bottom line. And only when you do it for a prolonged period of time, again, ideally you would do it more than 3 months. You would do it for 6 months, a year, 2. That every day that you trade, or every single time that you trade, if you don't trade every day, you would actually stick by the rules. And when you see the benefits, potentially the benefits of the rules that you wrote, it will be much easier for you to apply them over and over and over again. And you're not going to take each trade personally. You're not going to you're not going to go through euphoria when the trade is phenomenal. And at the same time, you're not going to be all sad when the trade did not go your way. Because essentially in trading, and I always said that, you can do all the right things and still lose. And you can do all the wrong things and still make, because the market just played your way. You can be over leveraged and you made a lot of money and you think you're a great trader, but the reality is you were lucky. The trade was there, right? The market just behaved that way and you were over leveraged. But if you have trading rules, it will actually make sure that your success comes from the right place. So again, 10 rules, 3 months at least, listen to them every day. That's it for now. Until the next time, it's Matt Z. Please like the video below. And we always welcome your business here at optimusfutures.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.